Today I'm going to walk you through the home menu on the ERX3TCD. When you start it up and you're not receiving Zaxnet, the timecode will start at 0. But once it receives Zaxnet, it'll automatically jump to the same time that's on the transmitter. Notice the light turns green once it's connected via Zaxnet. The home screen is pretty straightforward. You have your timecode in the center of the screen, the battery level on the far left, and the audio level is the bar at the bottom. If you hold down and tap up, you can cycle between scene, take, and user bits. Likewise, you can hold up and tap down to cycle through. If you tap the timecode button, it'll freeze the timecode displayed. This is so Scripty can easily see what time the take started. If you have alternate frequencies turned on, press menu and then you can cycle through the different alternatives with the up and down arrows. If you don't have alternate frequencies turned on, the menu button won't do anything.